on this. It's a Hummer. H2. Needs brake work. Customer thought he needed front brakes and rotors. But yeah, he needs a lot more than just front brakes and rotors. Look at this. It's not the front. That's number one. This is the type of crap comes up here. Yeah. I don't know if any of you guys know what you're looking at, but I know what I'm looking at. And all I want to tell you, this is called getting the fullest out of your brakes, period. When you wear into the rotor and back of the metal of the brake pad and you just eat your whole rotor. That's just insanity. He's not even aware of this. I have him coming up here to look. He thought he needed front brakes and rotors, because the one rotor up front's already tore up, but it ain't nowhere tore up like that. That is this. Wow. What people do, man. Hey, how long has he been driving like this? Is my question. Like, it had been grinding for like Lord knows how long.
Looks like both shocks are bad. Like this one's more bent than that side.
Probably the way it's sitting over here, angling in there. One's up on this, but that's what Lisa was. Lisa was worried right now. Actually, this rotor's getting grinded into also, but it's nowhere near like that one over there. I just can't believe that.
You won't let your brakes go down that far, right, Rand?
I might hit. They might start to grind, but I never let them grind on like that. That's crazy. As soon as I hear grinding, I know it's time to put rotors and brakes on it. And you stop driving it.
About a smoke something?
Sure. Buy one here.